Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by powering the Bose SoundLink and getting your phone ready. Press the speaker's power button until the indicator lights. Make sure battery is above 20% so pairing doesn't fail. On your phone, open Settings and navigate to Bluetooth. Keep that page visible so new devices appear instantly. Move the phone within 3 meters of the speaker and stop any other Bluetooth activity. This prevents interference. Once done, we'll trigger pairing mode on the speaker and locate it on your phone's list. Now you put the speaker into pairing mode. Press and hold the Bluetooth button until the light blinks or you hear the voice prompt saying ready to pair. This tells the speaker to broadcast. On your phone, tap Scan or wait briefly for Bose SoundLink to appear under available devices. Select that name. Your phone may show a PIN prompt. If so, enter 0000 or simply accept the pairing request. This establishes the secure Bluetooth link. Make sure you hear the confirmation tone from the speaker. Finish by confirming audio routes to the Bose. On your phone, open the media player or call screen and ensure the output device shows the Bose SoundLink. Play audio to verify volume and latency. Adjust phone volume and speaker volume separately. If you get no sound, disconnect and repair, and power cycle both devices. This clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts. If problems persist, perform a speaker reset by holding power and Bluetooth for 10 seconds. Then repeat pairing. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.